Hello everyone, my name is Abdullah Nahyan and welcome to my channel Code with Abdullah Nahyan. In this video, we learn how to make an awesome and attractive construction website using Elementor and Elementor Pro. So after watching this video, you can make an awesome and attractive construction website. Don't only construction website, you have enough knowledge about Elementor, so you can make any kind of website like business website, corporate website, or anything else. So before we start, we have to check our demo site. So first I refresh the page. We have an animation part, yes, like this, and we have hover part, this one hover, okay. Then we have our banner section, then we have our about us section, then with counter section, then we have a services section, animation, then we have a project section like this, then we have a experience team section, then we have our welcome to building manufacture section, why chose a section, then we have a client review section and why chose a section, and final footer. So this is our project overview. So from next part we start making this site fully like this clone and fully save to same. So stay with me and enjoy this project. Thank you very much. So for starting this project, I already installed WordPress in my local host and I used local flyhole. So let's check. For a theme, we use Hello Elementor free version, Hello theme Elementor, and for plugins, we use Elementor free version, Elementor Pro, and WP Forms for form part. And I already uploaded all images for make this website. Okay, so let's start. So first we have to build our header site and then we can build our footer. Okay, so go to here templates and click on save templates. So currently only we have one template because we don't create any one. So first create and add new template and select for work on we can need to header. So from here select header and type header template name like header for example and create template. So before start making header, we have to done our basic size settings like global color and global fonts. And we can copy from here. This is our global colors. So from here we can inspect from here, and from here we can choose like this is our global color. Okay. And if we check which font, here is Poppins font and we can use Poppins from as our global fonts. Okay, I can refresh the page, maybe it is slow internet. Okay, so first we go to click here size settings, and from global colors we can choose our primary color as this color, and then we have secondary color. For secondary we can choose here this one, from copy from here. Okay, we can choose here as a secondary color, then which color we need, and we can choose another one. We can rename this here as BG1. So right here BG1 and click here this color. Okay, and here we can here another color as it is this one. Okay, perfect, and this color. So we can choose here BG2. And here okay, add another color like white and choose here white. Okay, fine, click save changes. Jump back to global fonts. So we can choose primary as Poppins font, so Poppins. Then we have our secondary fonts, we can choose here Poppins, and then here text we can choose Poppins. Finally we have accent, we can choose here from Poppins. Click on save changes and remove this part. Okay, so for get back to our header part, and we have this part. We can choose here plus icon, and from flagbox equal to column, and from here we can choose align item center and go to style and choose color, background color as secondary. So we can need this text. We can choose the heading. So search for list icon, and we have need one item, and from here we can just read this here, and from here we can search for map marker, this one. Okay, and copy this part and here paste, and we have another one, so we can choose here like font and email. So first we can search for font, click here, so just paste here, and we can search for font icon, font, and here we can here link like tell colon this one, and we can add no space here and remove all space and plus icon. Then we have this our email, so from here we can choose here just email and search for envelope icon, envelope, and here we can write here mail to. Okay, fine. Now and go to here, this we can done this part here, go to style and icon, we can change primary color to our white color. Okay, and from text we can choose color to our white color. Okay, fine. And font weight we can choose 500. Now click here and inline layout, inline, go to style and alignment right side. Okay, icon we can choose color to our white color, and from here text color we can choose to our white color, and font weight we can choose 500, and we can here add space, go to style and space between. Okay, that's fine. And from here we can remove all padding, that's fine, and here we can choose small like top 10 bottom 10. Okay, and click here, go to icon and hover we can choose to primary color hover, and from here we can choose text and then hover we can choose color primary color. That's perfect. So our this part is done, and here when we can go to save, there is option add condition, so include this part for entire site and click save and close. That's fine. Now we have this part, so we don't create a menu yet, so go to our backend and go to appearance and menus. So as wanted to say, so we can choose home, about us, so search here like main menu and display location header, create menu. So we can just custom link, so we can just write here hash and just write here home, like hash home. Okay, add to menu like hash about us, then write here hash our services, and then her team, testimonials and contact. So write for hash team and write here team, add to menu, then we can write here hash testimonials, and finally hash contact, add to menu and click here save menu. Okay, fine. Now refresh the page for update menu option. Okay, click a plus icon, and from here we can choose this layout and align items definitely center. So we need a image box, so we can search for image box. Okay, fine. So from here we can choose here like media library, already uploaded all images, so we have this part is our logo part. Then we can choose here title age 4, and here we can search for like rebuild our just write here rebuild and construction. Okay, now go to hairstyle and image position right, vertical and center. Now image space we can choose 10, 3. We can choose image size like 20%. Okay, now this one. So from here content we can choose here color, choose ensure secondary color, text transform we can choose here like uppercase, font size 22 pixel, and from here box we can write 0, no space need, and go to style and here content, and typography we can choose here like secondary color and typography like 16 pixel, 18, and from here title we can increase some size. Okay, fine. Now go to here, we have to like our menu part, so search for menu, WordPress menu from here, and from here select main menu. Okay, horizontal, okay fine, alignment right side, we have don't need, okay fine. Go to style, and here we can choose font weight like 500, and text color we can choose here secondary color, horizontal padding 0, vertical padding 0, space between 0. Now increase this space as we need, like 45, that's perfect, or 40 I think. Okay, yes. Go to hover, we can choose our primary color, and for active we can choose primary color. Okay, so this part is done, and we can space more, reduce some space like 35. Okay, click on publish and preview the page. Okay, so our header part is done now. Now we have, now second part is our footer section. So from this footer we can make this like this. So go to here, remove these menus, and go to again templates. So already all templates, that means we have a home done. So we can click on new page and add new template, search for footer, and right here like footer, create template. We not predefined, we just click here. Okay, so we have basically 4 columns. So click here, advanced, padding like top 80, bottom 80. Go to style, and we can choose to style color, background color we can choose primary color. So we need this common heading, so search for a heading, head H, we can choose to size H4. Okay, like about us, we can copy this from. So change color to our white color, and here we can choose 22 pixel, 24. Okay, and we can choose margin bottom like 30 pixel. Okay fine, so copy this part from here and paste, then paste and paste. So click here like our services, then company, and then we have contact us. Our typography is okay, yes, that's perfect. Now we have this text, so we can search for text editor. So drag and drop here, go to style and change color to our text color, change to our white color. We can remove this space like not, we can 20, 15, okay, or 10, yes. So copy this part from here and paste style, paste style, paste style. So we need a list, so search for icon list. So we have first icon, we can search for arrow, we can this icon. So remove this part. So we have like building construction. So just right here building construction, and for now we can add hash icon, architecture design, then we have building renovation, then we have flooring and roofing, and finally building maintenance. So copy this part from here and paste here. So for this we need about us. So first item we can transfer about us, like our services, then team, testimonial controllers. Okay, search for team, testimonials, and then contact us. Okay, so we can first we can done this part for now. Go to style, and from here icon we can choose to our white color, and hover color we change to our primary color. Then go to text, we can here, okay, font weight to 500 as is link, and then color change to our white color, and list we can space 15, okay, and text we can choose like 16 pixel, 16 is okay I think. So just here, so from here hover we can choose to our primary color. So copy style and just right click and paste style. That's perfect. Now go to here, we can search for icon box and just drag and drop and paste here. So duplicate this part and duplicate this part. So first we have address, so you can search this for here. So just click here, address, so map marker icon, search for address and paste here. Then we have font, search for font icon, then font, and finally we have email. Envelope. This will be font, this icon. Email, and here we can it will be like font. Okay, so first we can do this part, style, left align, vertical and center. Okay, go to icon, we can choose color to our white color and size 25. Okay, and from box we can choose icon space like 10 and content space like 5. Go to content and change to color to our white color. Okay, and from here we can choose font weight like 500, font size like 22 pixel, 20 pixel, and text transform will be like capitalize. Okay, and font description we can choose to white color. Okay, perfect. And from here box we can increase some like 10 pixel. Okay, so copy style and paste style and paste style. So click here, we have to rearrange this one. Okay, and click here, reset, and here. Okay, so this is perfect. And here again add condition. So add condition, this template will show every footer in every page, so include enter site and same includes. And we have this part. So for this we can add a column, to equal column, and here we can choose here like vertical and middle, and we can change background color. We can here like this one. I think it will changeable and nicely. So add container, and from here we can this copy from here and paste. Change HTML tag to p tag and right here and copy. So this will be entity set or rights reserved, and here social icons. So search for social. So we can here social icons. Okay, and here we can add another item like Instagram. Okay, so here we can choose here style and the custom color and color change to our white color. I think this will be yes. This will be our reset color. This will be our transparent color. Yes. So size will be like 16 pixel. Okay, and here go to content style. We can choose our content. We can choose here element right side, and click here, go to style and change font weight to like 400 and change color to like white color, and here font size like 16 pixel, text transform capitalize. Click on publish. So our this part is done now. So from here we can here go to pages and create our home page. Click here add new page, and we have just one page need, so just click here and write home and click on publish and create publish and edit with Elementor. And inside if you refresh the page, so our home page is created, done. Now go to settings and reading, and we can choose here like static page and home page set to our home page. So click save changes. Okay, fine. So refresh the page again, so this will be our home page, and we can click here for preview version. Okay, so for page settings we can choose here page layout to Elementor full width. Now we have this our banner section, this background image, subheading, heading, paragraph, and we need 2 buttons. Okay, fine. So first we have click and flashbox, we can one column and column direction. Go to style, and here background image, we have this banner image, so search for banner, this one, select. Okay, and from here we can choose background position center and background size cover. Now copy this text from here and go to here and plus icon and add a heading. We can choose for like span tag and just paste here. Then we need this text, so copy from here and click here and add a heading and paste here and H1. We can add a break tag for better view. Then we have this text, so copy from here and we add a text editor, so just bring here and paste. Okay, fine. And for 2 button we can add a container, this container, and add a button. So this button we have this one, duplicate this button, and from this container we can choose direction column, that's fine. And from here we can choose advanced and no padding. So get started and contact us. Okay, so first click here, get started, and add an icon, people or user, icon on the right side, and click here contact us. Contact us, click on icon and search for envelope, insert here. Okay, fine. Go to here parent section, go to advanced and add padding, top like 120 or 80, we can add like 100, and bottom 100. Sorry, bottom 100. Okay, just click here style, go to here, we can choose to white color. Okay, and this is perfect, I think. Now go to here, click on style, and font weight we can choose like 700, and from here we can choose color change to white color, and style we can choose like 60 pixel or 70 pixel, line height we can choose like 80 pixel. Okay, now click here, go to style, and here we can choose font size 400, that's perfect. Text color change to our white color, and click here, go to style, and here we can choose font size 500, background color primary color. From padding we can choose like top 10, bottom 10, right 40, left 40. We can choose here like 50 pixel and bottom 15 pixel, that's perfect. Border radius like 7 pixel. If we check here, yes, or we can choose like 20 pixel. Typography we can choose font weight like 70 pixel. Okay, and text transform capitalize. So here move to hover, we can choose background color to our secondary color. Okay, so copy style and paste here paste style, that's perfect. So our this part is done. Now we need to add space before icon, so click here and like content and icon position we can choose to like 10 pixel, copy from here and paste style. So click on publish. So our this part is done now. Now then we have our about section like this. Okay, so click here, flashboard tweaker column, middle, go to advanced and add padding like top 80 pixel, bottom 80. We need a image. And from image we can choose our about image, which will be about, search for about this one. Yes, so go to style and weight 100%. That's perfect. Now we have this subheading, about our company, so just click on plus icon and add heading. Duplicate this column. Yes, and add a heading. We can choose this is span. Now we have this text. Click here and H4. Then we have this text. Click here and plus icon and text editor. And then we have this icon box. So we can add for container and search for icon box. So duplicate this part, and from here we can choose the direction, row. That's perfect. Now we have 100% client satisfaction. So just click here and paste here. Remove this part, and here world class worker. Okay, so from here we have icon check. So search for check, and here search for check. Okay, and click here, go to style and alignment left, vertical, middle. Okay, and from this parent this part we can remove all padding, and from here style we can choose content. We can choose font size like 30 pixel, 26, and here icon we can choose to 30, 28. Yes, so copy this part and paste style. So all this part I think done. Yes, so click on publish and preview changes. All this part. Okay, so sorry, we have removed this part actually. So go to here, and here we can search for like 500 and text transform like capitalize. So from here we need to change to our, go to style and change color to our secondary color. Font size like 20 pixel, we can increase 40, and text transform capitalize. Font weight 700 and 600. Line height 50 pixel. From here go to style, white color. Sorry, not white. We need to choose text color. That's fine. Go to click on publish. Now our about section is done. Our next part is counter section. So we have to make this like this. So from here we have 4 equal column. So click on and 4 column. Go to style and background color we can change to BG1. Okay, and go to advanced, we can choose padding like top 80 or 70, bottom 70, and we have this like this. So for this we have inner container. So and add a icon. And then we need counter box. So we have this counter here. Okay, so copy this part from here, paste, then paste, and then paste. So we have 50 plus satisfied customers. Okay, fine. And these users. So click here, we can search for users. Click here, we have 50 plus. So we can number suffix plus, and here code number we can just write here. And 600 plus employees. Okay, so search for worker. User, we can this one. Okay, and click here like 600 plus. Then we have 5 awards, so search for, we can here award, just click here and 5 and award. Finally we have support 100%. Okay, so we can search for clock, %100%. So we can like this, and we can this color, and we have to inspect this color from here. So just click here style and go to here background color like 141416. Okay, and they have a border color. We can we have to color this color from here, inspect, and maybe here or inner side we can choose this border color, border with border color, this one. So from border we can choose solid 1 pixel and this color. Okay, this is perfect. And for border radius like 7 pixel. So from here we can choose this one like frame, stack, and size change to like 20. Go to style and number like 45 pixel. Okay, and title we can choose to our white color. Okay, and font here we can choose like 18 pixel 17. Okay, and from here we can choose advanced and padding like 15 pixel. So copy from here and paste style, paste style, paste style, and copy from here and paste style, paste style, paste style, and from here we can copy this one from paste style, and paste style. Okay, perfect. Click on publish and preview the changes. So our this part is done now. So we have our next part. Go to next part is our services we offer. In services we have two sections, subheading, heading, and paragraph, section title, and we have services like this: image, heading, paragraph, and list item, and the button, and hover this part. Okay, so go to here, and first we have plus icon and flag box. We can choose this layout. So go to advanced, and here padding we can choose padding top 80 pixel, bottom 80 pixel, and first column we can choose width like 100%. That's fine. And go to here advanced, and margin we can choose margin bottom 60 pixel, and we can add another item. Sorry, actually we have three items, 3 column. Yes, 3 item. So remove one, and inside this container I add another container here. Okay, so first we need what we offer. So for this we can add a heading, change text to span text, and paste text here. Then we have this text, our services. So copy from here, duplicate this column and paste here, and change text to H4, and this, and then we have this paragraph text. So copy this text from here and go to here plus icon and text editor, and here paste. Okay, that's fine. And here we need a image, then section title and paragraph. Okay, fine. So go to style here, and we can add a image plus icon. So we need image, then we can need a heading, change to H4 tag, then we need text editor, then we need icon list. So here remove this part, 5 items, 2, 3, 4, 5, and finally we need a button. So plus icon and click for button. So basically this is our layout. So copy this part and paste here and paste here. and as a parent container we can remove all padding from here. Okay, so here first we need a image, so click here. So we need this one, service 1, service 1, this one. Now we have this one like service 2, and finally we have this one, service 3. Okay, so that's fine, and here we can choose here from go to here padding 0, and this column we can choose here padding 0. That's fine. Now we have this heading service title, so you can copy this line from here and click here and paste service 1, service 2, and here service 3. As the parent we can choose from here style and color change to our BG2. Okay, so first we need this one. Go to here style, text center, and go to here we can choose text transform, capitalize, font size like 22 pixel. For our service we can style, text center, we can choose like 30 pixel or increase more like 45, and here we can choose here like our secondary, and from here we can choose text transform, capitalize. Okay, so click here, go to style, and here center we can choose color to our BG1. Okay, that's fine. Now click here this one. Actually we now we need padding here. Okay, and we need this content actually. Okay, so we can go to here style and change color to our white color. Okay, fine. And from here image we can choose here image with 100%. Okay, and here this one we can choose like no padding. Okay, fine, and copy this from here and paste style and paste style. Now copy this image from here, paste style and paste style. Okay, that's fine. Okay, fine. Now we can create here like section title. So from here we can just style, change color to our secondary color, and we can choose advanced margin like right 10, left 10. Okay, so from here style, same we can advanced and margin like left 10 and right 10. Go to style and change color to our BG1. Now this one we can go to advanced and add like right 10 pixel, left 10 pixel, and here we can choose here, go to style and divider on space from here like this one 15, 16, and here we can choose here, go to icon color. Okay, fine, go to text and change we can here font weight 500. Now copy from here and paste style and paste style. Okay, now this column we can choose here padding bottom like 30 pixel like this. Yes, so copy from here and paste style and paste style. Now here we have this button for read more, so we can copy from style from here like this, from copy style from here and paste style. So we can choose here like read more, read more. So we can decrease some padding from here. We can like top 15 and bottom 15, like left right 30. Okay, center, and we can choose advanced margin top like 10 pixel. So copy from here and paste. So direct paste and remove this part, direct paste and remove this part. So all this part is done. Now click on save changes, and here we can choose one thing. So we can copy this border from here, style, and border we can choose this border color, and from here we can choose style and go to here border, border solid, only right side one and bottom side left side one, this one, I think no border is okay. Remove this part. Save changes and preview the changes. Yes. So that's perfect. Now we can copy this part from here. Paste style, paste. Now this copy. That's fine. Click on save changes. So all this part is services part done now. Now we have next section. We have our project section. That's been like this one. So okay, let's start. So for this again we can plus icon. Same, we can choose this one, and here go to here. We can right click copy style, and here from here we can choose paste style. Okay, so we don't need actually this background color, so we can remove this color, reset. Okay, so first we need 7 columns, so duplicate this column, and first column we can copy this column from here, copy and paste style. That's fine. Now copy this from here, copy and paste. Now this one from here, copy, paste, and here copy, paste. Okay, so right here what we do, so basically this color will be our our busy one. So what we do, then featured products. So this color change to our white color. So click here and change white. Click here, change color to our white color. So we use here image box and a button. So from here we can add a container, and inside this I can use image box. So just here and add a button. So search for button and paste here. So copy this from here and paste, then paste, then paste, again paste, and finally paste. Click here, and here we can choose here like project 1. So who should be project 1, 2, this will be 2, who should be 1, this 5. Okay, for now we can use this image randomly. So click here and plus icon, this one, just click here, another one like this, and then here we can choose another image. So here we can choose here like this one, and then here we can choose for another image like this, and click here, we can choose for this one. Okay, so we can get all images. That's fine. Now this we can copy this from here. So just click here and paste. Then we have this one, copy this from here and click here and paste. Then road repair, copy from here and click here and paste. Then we have here engine replacement, click here and replace place. Then here copy from here, click here. Then here commercial building, copy from here and click here and this paste. So here we can just copy from here construction, and here we can choose here this one, then click this one, paste, this one like paste. Okay, and this will be our read more. So click here, we can choose to test our read more, copy from here, click here and change text, click here, change text, click here, change, then click here, change text, click here, change text. That's perfect. Now go to here style, and we have this one like this. So go to here style and change background color to our white color. Okay, and here we can don't need any padding. Okay, yes. Now go to style, go to style part, and here border, we can border radius like 7 pixel. Okay, fine. And alignment center, that's fine. So go to style image, image size like 100%. Okay. Now content box and image spacing 5, content spacing like 5. And from here we can choose content color, change to our secondary color, like here we can choose 22 pixel. Then we have this color like BG1. Okay, so copy from here, paste style, paste style, paste style, paste style, paste style. Now copy from this here, this inner column, copy and paste style, paste style, paste style, and paste style, and paste style. Now this column read more, we can here center. Now go to typography, font 500, that's fine. Text transform will be capitalized. And here we don't need this background color, so background color change to our transparent color, text color change to our primary color. Okay, and padding 0. And when hover, we can change to color to our secondary color. So copy from here and paste style, paste style, then paste style, paste style. And from here, other things from this column we can advance. Padding bottom like 30 pixel, that's perfect. So copy from here again and paste style, then paste style, paste style, paste, and then paste. Okay, that's perfect. Now click on publish and preview the changes. Yes, so this part is done perfectly. Now we have our next section, which is our theme section. So theme section is similar to this part, so you can duplicate this column. Okay, and from here section we can change color to our BG2. And here we can write here meet our team. And then experience team. Change color to our secondary color, and this color change to our secondary color. Okay, that's fine. Now we have 4 columns, so we can remove this part, remove this column and remove this column. And here we can remove this column, inner column, then this inner column, and this inner column. Now change size to like 25%. So copy this part, paste style, paste style, paste style. So we have image, their name, and here we have forget to this hover part. Okay, we can do this now. So okay, we can do it later, no problem. So from here image section like this, and we have no background color, so go to here style and background color reset. Okay, that's fine. So from here we can add another container, then we can add image box. So search for image box, and then we need a social icon. Social icon. Okay, so copy this part from here, paste, then paste, and then paste. So first here first image we have check here team 1, then we have team 2, then we have team 3, then we have team 4. And from here we can choose, go to style and change background color, change to our BG1. Yes, and from here we can choose padding bottom like 30 pixel, left 10, top 10. Okay, so copy style from here, paste style. then paste style, then paste style. So from here, like this name, Jem Williamson, so click here, and designation operation manager. Then we have David Wick, and from here production manager. Then we have Hogarth Ben, copy from here, and then chief marketing. Then we have John Doe, and click here product manager. Okay, fine. So click here, and here style image with 100%. That's fine. And here we can choose padding top 0, actually, yes, bottom left 0, yes, nice. And here, so go to click here style and go to content box, image position spacing we can choose to like 0 and content like 3. And now go to content, we can choose font size like 22 pixel, 22, and here we can choose to here like secondary color. That's fine. Now here we can choose to here style and our custom color, and primary color to this color, transparent color. Okay. And where our hover color, icon hover, we can choose where like a secondary color. Okay. So copy from here, paste style, paste style, paste style. Now copy this from here and paste style, paste style, paste style. Now we have to hover part, so copy this column and style. We can choose border, we can border solid, like bottom we can choose 3 pixel, and border color will be transparent. Okay. So here in hover we can choose solid, border bottom like 3 pixel above primary color. That's fine. That's nice. Okay, fine. Now copy this from here and paste style. Now paste style and paste style. Click on publish. Okay, that's fine. Yes. So our team section is done now. So our next part will be our CTA section like this. So have to start our CTA section. So go to here our home page again and plus icon, and we have like this our background image and overlay. So plus icon and column direction here, and go to here and choose here like we can search for CTA, which is our CTA images, this one. So click on select, and then go to here position center, display size cover, and from here background overlay we can choose here like BZ1 and opacity like 0.85. Okay, that's fine. Go to advanced and add padding, top 80 pixel and bottom 80 pixel. Now we have this text, so copy from this heading from here, plus icon we can edge heading, and we can choose this one for H4. So write for BR tag, BR slash. Go to style, element center, we can choose color change to our white color, and font weight like 40 pixel, 60, line height 70 pixel, text also capitalize. That's fine. Now we have this text, so copy from here, and now we can choose here like a text editor and here and paste. Go to style, text center, and font size like 18 pixel, line height 27 pixel. Okay, and here, that's fine. Go to style and change color to our white color. Then here we have another container. So for this container we can choose image from here, this layout. So copy from here, paste and duplicate this. Now this container we can choose here direction row and just click on center. That's fine. And text to be like this one, phone number. So copy from here edit. Left side we can choose icon to our phone icon. So search for phone icon, this one, insert, and here we can choose just right here phone number, and we can write here link tell color. So we have no space, so remove this space, this one, and remove plus. Now we have this our email address. So from here we can choose here, we have right side, and we can search for envelope icon. So envelope, so insert here and just here email address, and just right here mail to and colon, this one. That's perfect. So all this part is done now, and check this part here. Okay, so our next question will be our why chose us, but why we are best, like this one. Okay, fine. So here we can choose plus icon, and we can choose here this one, and here we have background color. So go to here style, advanced, like padding top 80 pixel, bottom 80, and from here we can choose this column, copy from here, and first one paste style. That's perfect. Now copy from here this text from here and paste. Now here copy this from here, paste, and copy from here and paste. So basically we need two columns, so search for here 50% and this one for 50%. So remove this column from here and from here, and from here we can choose here layout to full width. Okay, so our text will be we are best. So copy this line from here, we are best. So click here, then we have why chose us. Click here and paste. So from here from this column we can go to style, and here we can choose image. So we have this one, this image. Click here. Okay, position center, display size, cover. That's fine. Now we have this column, this text, and will be our icon box or image box. So search for image box. So we have this image, this one, and this text and this paragraph. After end we can add a break tag. So from here we can go to style, left align, vertical and middle. Okay, fine. And this column we can choose here align items center. I think this is okay now. And from here go to style, and content we can choose text color to our secondary color, and here box we can choose like 5 pixel. And image we can no radius 25. Yes. Now with this part like this, so progress bar, so search for progress. So here just paste here. Okay, maybe this is problem. Yes. So duplicate this part, duplicate, and this one duplicate. Okay, fine. So first we will research. So click here. So just right here research, and percentage like 88%, and we don't need this text and don't show need to percentage. Okay, now we have marketing. So copy from here. Next one here we can search for like 74, don't show percentage and don't need inner text. Then mechanical we can search for here. Click here, and mechanical we can search for 67%, not this one and not this one. Finally we have others. So from here copy and click here, just right here others, we can search for like 94% and don't show percentage and this one. Okay, so click here and style, color, background color like 8% pixel. Okay, typography and text title style we can choose from here secondary, and we can choose here font weight 600 or 500. Okay, and copy from here, paste style, and paste style. So we can choose here like margin left, like left 30 pixel. So from here we can choose decrease our layout size like 1%, 2%, 3%. That's perfect. So all this part is done now, and from here we can column, we can choose padding like top 60, bottom 60. That's perfect. Now click on publish, or we can add like 80%, 80 pixel, and bottom 80 pixel. Now we have this part, footer done. Okay, choose section. So we have our next section is a testimonial section. So it's similar to our like this one. So copy from here and paste here, and our background is similar, this like this. So copy from here and paste style. Okay, I think it's okay. We can need to change to manually. Search for testimonials. Okay, maybe which image, this current image, this one. Click on select and insert. Okay, the position center and display size cover and background overlay we can choose here like our busy one. Okay, so click on publish and go to here, position center, display size cover, background overlay we can choose here like our second busy one color and 0.85 opacity. Okay, and change text to our testimonials. Then client reviews. Okay, now remove this part, then remove this one and remove this one. So our testimonial part, this like this one. So we can remove inner part or inner column, second one and third one. Okay, this container, so we need a icon. So search for icon box, or the icon, sorry, and then we need our testimonial. So search for testimonials. Okay, so copy this part from here and paste. So we can just copy the Michael week. So click here. So her image is like this one. Okay, then we have John Doe. Click here. Finally we have like Carlton Trap. This one. Okay, perfect. Now go to here, we can add background color. So go to here style and here background classic, background color to secondary, and advanced we can choose like padding 15 pixel. Okay, so and we can add border radius like 7 pixel. So copy from here and paste style and then paste style. And here we can choose here icon. So search for our code, this icon, and here we can choose stack style and copy from here and paste, remove this one and paste, remove this one. Go to here style and change here title, image, name, content we can change to our white color, font size like 15 pixel or 16 okay, I think. Now name size we can choose to like 18 pixel. Okay, and title change color to our white color. Okay, so copy from here, paste style and paste style. So publish this part and preview the changes. Okay, so our client section is done now. So we have our final section. This is our content part and this one, this layout. Okay, so for this part we have two column, 1 2 3 column basically. So we can choose here, we can this one. So we have first 1 column, 3 column, 2 column. This is 3 to 5 6. Okay, so from here we can choose here, copy from here and paste style. Okay, from a section we can choose background color to our BG2 advanced. We can choose padding top 80 pixel and bottom 80 pixel. Okay, now copy from here, copy and paste. Now copy, paste. Now copy, paste. Okay, fine. Now we have this icon box. So search for our icon box. Icon box. Okay, so copy from here and paste, then paste. So first we have address. So this is our address. So click here, map marker, address. Then we have our email. Search for envelope, email, and finally we have font. Search for font icon, write for font, paste. Okay, so click here advanced and go to here background. We can choose color to our primary white color, and from layout we can choose padding 15 pixel. Click here layout, we can choose like frame. Okay, go to description, left align, vertical and middle. Okay, icon position like 10, and this one we can choose like 3 pixel. Okay, so we can decrease icon size like 15 and border width like 2. Now content, this is our black color. Okay, so color change to our secondary color. Font size like 18 pixel, font weight like 500, text transform uppercase. And here we can choose to here secondary color, and here we can choose 500. Rightly copy, paste style. Here we can choose here left. Okay, that's perfect. We can one things, we can spacing like icon position we can like 20. Yes, so copy this part, paste style and paste style. So this part is done. Now we have this part. So we have to create our form. So go to our backend and already install W form. So we can check here form name, font, email, service and message. So here custom form. So go to here add new. Let's go, and we can choose blank form. So first we have like name, font. So for this we can choose name, single line text, and here we can choose here like name. Okay, it will be required. Go to advanced and will be large, and here we can choose like class show layouts. We can choose this one and select this one. Now click add. We have a number, that's mean font. We can search for font number. Okay, it's not be required. Okay, go to advanced, now large, and here we can choose show layouts, this one, and choose this one. Then we have a email and services. Okay, so we can click on add field. We have email, so click here email and click here email. Okay, go to advanced, large, and go to shell layouts, this one and this one. Now click on our, we have services, that's been drop down. So search for this one, click here. So search for services like service 1, service 2, service 3, and we can choose another one, service 4, and go to advanced, click on here classic, OK, large, and from here we can show layouts, we can choose to here this one. OK, save, done. Now refresh the page now. And one thing, we have this right part. OK, so from here this column, OK, we have to load this part. So from here we can choose here like 35%, and this column like 65%. OK, and from here we can choose, we need to this color, so copy from color this code from here. OK, and here we can choose here this column, go to style, and here we can choose this color, and we here need this text, so search for heading, that's right here H4, then we have this paragraph, plus icon, text editor, then we have image box, and search for Hodgian Smith, just right paste here, go to here H4, and here project manager, just paste here, and here go to here we can choose for padding like top 40, bottom 40, right 20, left 20. OK, and search for form, we can here W forms, so drag and drop here. OK, and select from here blank form. Oh sorry, we have one thing missing, we have need to our text area, so here go to here W forms, all forms, click on this form, we have to rename this form, we can add text, paragraph text, so search for message, and here this one is perfect. Save, now refresh the page. So at the bottom our white shows us this part for, yes, this is done, nicely done. OK, and here we can choose here like advanced, margin top like 30 pixel, 40. OK, so our this color, secondary, and font size like 22 pixel, line height 32 pixel. Just click here style and change color to our busy one. OK, and this one we can style left and vertical and middle, and here we can image size, we can choose to size 20 pixel. OK, border radius we can here round shape 40, and we can choose border solid 2 pixel, we can choose our primary color, that's fine. Now we have this heading is done, go to here content, font size like 22 pixel, box we can increase space 3, content we can choose to our secondary color, that's fine. And here we can choose advanced, and padding top like 60 pixel, bottom 60, padding left 30, left 30. OK, and here we can choose this column, we can choose style white color, and right for margin top like 40 pixel. OK, and here we can choose here like layout, align items, center, no center, just even center, yes, that's perfect. So our content is done now, and check the output. Okay, so this is all done now. So we have done our full page and perfectly. So we have to make our this site animated. So for start with our header part, so go to here, templates and set templates. So first we have to go to our header part, go to here all, and from here we can choose edit with Elementor. Okay, so first click here like this column and go to advanced, and we can choose here like motion effects, and here we can choose entrance animation like fading left. That's fine. And here we can close this column, go to advanced, and here motion effects we can choose entrance animation like floating right. Okay, and here this column we can advanced and go to here motion effects and entrance animation like zoom in. Okay, and this will be like zoom in, motion effects and entrance animation like zoom in. So publish the page and preview changes, take this one. So header done. Now we go to our footer section. Okay, so here done this part is for refresh the page now. Okay, like this one we can choose advanced. So here motion effects we can choose here entrance animation like different one like bouncing left. Okay, and this one we can choose here like entrance animation bouncing right. Okay, and this one we can choose here motion effects, then we can choose enter animation like bounce in up. Same part this one, motion effects we can choose enters animation like bounce in up. Okay, now this part we can choose here like full column, full section, go to advanced, and here motion effects and here entrance animation we can choose different one like light speed in or different like rolling. Okay, another one more different we can choose like bounce. Okay, click on save changes, and this one will be done. If you go to our full site, this one, and go to footer part. Yes. Okay, now go to our home page. So click on edit Elementor. So like this one we can go to advanced, and here we can choose here like motion effects and entrance animation we can choose entrance animation we can like fading left, and click here advanced we can choose here motion effects we can choose here like fading left. Yes, and this one same. Advanced motion effects, and go to here select, and this column we can choose here like motion effects, and we can choose here like forwarding right. Now publish, preview changes. Yes, now this column we can left and right motion effects. So motion effects we can choose here like zoom in left, or another one we can choose bounce in left. Now this column we can choose here like motion effects we can choose like bounce in right. That's perfect. Now this one, for this column go to advanced, here we can choose here like we can choose like bounce in left. Okay, so we can animation delay we can like 5 millisecond. Then this column we can choose here motion effects we can choose here like bounce in left, this animation like 10 millisecond, and here motion effects we can choose here like bounce in left 15 millisecond delay, And finally this one, motion effects, go to here, bounce in left and 20 seconds. That's perfect. Click on publish and preview changes. Okay, this one, nice. Yes. Now we have this section, so click here, we can here advanced, go to motion effects, we can choose here another one like bounce in. Okay, and this one we can choose here like motion effects, and here we can choose here like slide in left. This one, motion effects, we can choose here slide in up, and this one we can choose motion effects slide in right. Slice in right. Okay, now this one we can same, we can choose to here motion effects, we can here default, we can fade in. Okay, and this column we can do advanced motion effects. Then we have another effect, we can choose here like zoom in left, and this one advanced, and we can go to motion effects and choose here like which one, slide in, bounce in right. Okay, and here motion effects, we can choose enter as a like bounce in left. Okay, now this one we can choose here like motion effects bounce in like rotate in up left. Okay, yes. So click here advanced. Here we can choose here like rotate in up, rotate in. Okay, and finally this one, motion effects entrance animation, we can choose here rotate in up right. That's fine. Now we have our theme section, so we can just click here advanced motion effects, we can choose here like fade in. So from here we can choose here motion effects motion effects, we can choose here like entrance animation, we can now bounce in left. This one we can choose bounce in up. Now this one we can choose here like motion effects bounce in down, and finally this one bounce in right. Okay, now here we can full section we can change, like we can motion effects like entrance animation like zoom in. Okay, that's fine. And here we can choose here this one, we can go to advanced and right motion effects, we can choose for now like bounce in. Okay, advanced we can choose motion effects, and here we can choose like zoom in down, and this one motion effects, we can choose here the zoom in right. That's fine. Now our testimonials, now we can choose this section like simple part like motion effects, and go to here fade in up, and this one we can choose here like advanced motion effects, and choose here like fade in down, and this column we can choose here zoom in left. Then motion effects, we can choose here like zoom in right, and finally this one fade in. Okay, now this part we can choose here like motion effects, we can choose entrance animation, we can different one, then slide in left, and this one advanced we can motion effects, and we can write here like slide in right. Okay, that's perfectly done. Click on publish and preview changes. Okay, so our this is full animated site. Okay, that's nice. So all this part is done now. Now we have to make our website responsive. That means properly adjusted for all devices. So go to here backend, and from here templates to all templates. So first we done our header and footer. So I first go to edit with Elementor footer and edit with Elementor for header. So for footer we can do it now, and header. Okay, refresh the page. Sometimes net is slow. Okay, so footer part, go to here first template section. So first here is 4 column is not look nice. So first we can add 2 columns. So just change to our percentage and just write here 50%. Okay, copy style from here and paste style and paste style and paste style, but it's not working because go to settings here, and here we can choose wrap. Okay, that's fine. Now it's okay, perfectly okay now. And here we can choose advanced and margin like top 30 pixel. Okay, and from this here advanced and margin like 30 pixel. That's perfect. Now this is okay now. Now go to our mobile section. So mobile is almost done and it's perfectly okay. So here we can choose to style alignment left, this one style left align, and this style and this one left, and here click here style to alignment center, and this style to alignment to center. Okay, so our footer is fully responsive for all devices. Let's refresh the page. Anything is changes here? No, it's perfect. Okay now. Now go to our header part. Refresh the page now. So first go to tablet section. It's okay. Just click here, and mobile we can choose here toggle align right side, and here click here. Okay. So for this we can choose to here like main menu mobile portrait full ODS. This enable this part, and this will be okay. And here we can choose aside to center. Okay, and go to here style, and go to here our drop down yes, background color we can choose this color. So we can note this color, we can choose to here our secondary color, and text color to change to white. That's fine, and this is okay. Now go to our mobile section. Yes, so first click here, go to style and element center, and here center element or left is okay I think, and here click here style to our left element. That's perfect. Click here, and here change to our percentage, and here we can choose like 50%, and click here, go to here percentage, so we can search for 50%. Okay, that's fine, and click here. Yes, that's nice. So this is part is okay for all devices. Now go to our home page. So click on edit with Elementor. Okay, that's fine. Go to tablet part section. So from here we can add advanced to padding like 30 pixel for all, and click a style is too big, we can choose like 40 pixel, and line height we can choose to like 50 pixel. Okay, that's okay, and I think it's okay now. This okay, and we can choose this column size. So go to here percentage, we can choose like 50%, and copy from here and just paste style, and paste style, and from this section we can choose enable this first rep. So this will be working now. Our service, and I think it's okay now. Okay, features progress. So we can 2 column. So click here, go to layout, and here layout to percentage we can choose 50%. So search for 50, copy this from here, paste style, then here paste style, then paste style, then paste style, and then paste style. Okay, that's perfect. And thin section we can same things, we can 50% size. So style, then paste style, then we can search for paste style, and then paste style. Okay, and here we can decrease font size. So here like current is 60 and we can change to 40. Okay, and line height we can change to percentage and 50 pixel. That's perfect and it's okay. Why choose the section is okay. We can decrease layout. We can write 40 pixel percent, yes, and this is okay. I think in this part perfect and this is okay. So we have this tablet done. Now go to mobile section. First we have this part done. Okay, this is okay. I think this is okay, this okay. We can decrease some font size. Go to here title and here we can font size number. Currently font size 45, we can 35. Okay, so copy from here, paste style and paste style. This okay, I think is everything perfect. Okay, yes, our mobile is almost done. Okay, so our site is perfectly okay now, and here everything is fine and perfect. And yes, so this is our project now, and hopefully you like it and enjoy it. If you like it and enjoy, please don't forget to share and subscribe, and please share with others. Thank you very much for staying with me.